So this is more of my little sitting area. So this is, we just went here. So give you an idea. And I like sitting here. I like sitting in this chair because you get this great view of there, and you can look outside, and then I can look at my doggies, or I can watch TV. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So hello everybody. Yeah, this table is actually a side table. I have a coffee table too, but it works right now in here. But this is actually supposed to be painted eventually, but I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do. So, and in the meantime, you know, I just use it as that. There's a big bench, but it's actually two cubby ones, and I put a board underneath it, and then some cushions on there with the blankie. So the doggies like sitting there. It holds actually someone as heavy as me on there. Yeah, I won't tell you how much it is, but it is much. Yeah, it's a lot. So anyway, and I got a Roomba too because we got dog hair in here, right? Say hello, monkey. Hi, monkey. Aw, he's like, yes. Okay, I got some cosmetic cases here that I like using for stuff. But I also have a whole bunch of high-end cosmetics in there that I don't use anymore, as in eyeshadows that are done with mica. So anyway, so this is my little sitting area. I enjoy a cup of coffee here sometimes. And my dog is like hanging with me. So right now we're actually in here because hubby is